everyone, this is Oscar. Now I am in the Jinbu Security Dahua camera store. Around me you can see all is a Dahua product, but today I will show you one good Dahua camera. IPC HDW5631C-A. Open it and see what inside. Mouse paper, screwdriver, waterproof mount, the screw. Now the camera in front of us. I will slowly to let you see what it like. I have to say this model is the new Dahua product, is 6MP. Before we also have the 4MP Dahua camera like this. This is his younger brother. Maybe you see no different. This is 6MP, this is 4MP. The same, but the main difference is this one is a full metal body. This one is the plastic.
Inside the IP address 192.168.1, like this, just like this, and we now use enter inside the password admin. Enter inside. Oh, this is cameras, 6MP cameras, and you can see me now in front of the desk. And so, how to control this computer? Just follow me to see what inside. This is the condition. We can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, or the display pictures. You can let the picture becomes more beautiful as you want, bright. We can check and sharpness. That's all. See the video. H.2CS5, and this is the resolution. 6MP resolution. The photo has 2MP, 4MP, just like this. Audio stroke G.CS11A. We can see the schedule. This has the intelligence function, like the IVS. And the face detection. Usually the face detection function should let your camera connect with, work with your recorder. Then you can use this function. You can support 3 languages: English, Spanish, and Russian. Okay, that's all. Have a good day. It's nighttime in China. See you, my friend.